I'm Juliette Richards. I work in the Energy Insights team in National Grid's Electricity System Operator. So key message 3 is about electric vehicles. So we're thinking about the fact that into the future, as there's more renewable generation, there'll be lots of electricity produced when it's very sunny and when it's very windy, for example. But our job as the electricity system operator is to make sure that the demand and the supply of electricity is always in balance to keep our network safe. So batteries in electric vehicles are a really important part of that because they can be used to store electricity when it's very windy or very sunny, for example. So really there's two effects from electric vehicles for decarbonisation. There's a reduction in the use of petrol and diesel, but there's also the fact that electric vehicle and their batteries help to facilitate the integration of low carbon electricity. When we think about how electric vehicles might grow in the future, we think about things like government policy or how the price of electric vehicles might fall, but we also think about things like, well, how will autonomous vehicles affect the demand for energy in the future, or car sharing schemes, or the use of public transport. So all these things are factored into our modelling. We completed a big research project this year that we've incorporated into our modelling for Future Energy Scenarios 2019. And we wanted to look at, in depth, how are current electric vehicle owners charging their cars. We wanted to understand when and where they were charging. We originally thought that perhaps a lot of people would come home and plug their cars in at around 5 p.m. to charge. But what we actually found out is that there's a lot of diversity in when and where people are choosing to charge. Some people are going into work and plugging their cars in the morning, others are going to service stations at midday, and still others are plugging in quite late in the evening in their homes. So we'll be incorporating all of those insights into our modelling.